LaSun is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, let me introduce to you the EDX-2A RoHS testing equipment. RoHS restriction of hazardous substances is a mandatory standard established by EU legislation. This standard is mainly used to regulate the materials and process standards of electrical and electronic products, and make it more conducive to human health and environmental protection. The EDX-2A Energy Dispersive X-ray Fluorescence Analyzer launched by LaSun can better cope with alloy and coating analysis. It can meet the customer's analysis of RoHS, halogen-free environmental instructions. It is equipped with high-performance SI pin detector and digital multi-channel analysis system. The repeatability and stability of other elements in RoHS test have also been significantly improved. With the camera and cabin lighting system, users can check the test location of the sample in real time. The system also contains a printer and a computer, a gold or silver chip for initializing the equipment, and standard sample with EU calibration certificate.